If we find life on Mars, do we leave Mars to the Martians, like Carl Sagan said? Or do we do something else, go and explore? It's a question that is relevant to everybody on Earth. These are our cousins, potentially. So we all have to decide, together, what it is we do next. People have been interested in studying life and understanding the origin and evolution of life for centuries. In the 1950s, it was recognized internationally that this was something we could do with space exploration, and we'd never had the chance to do that before. But in order to study the origin of life well, we need to prevent contamination with Earth life when we go other places. Also, we don't want to cause harm to the Earth if we bring samples back. So in the 1950s and 60s, this was discussed at the international level. It was put into the Outer Space Treaty as an article of the treaty. And so now states party to the treaty who have space agencies all agree to follow the same international guidelines that are developed by the International Council for Science that advises the UN on outer space affairs. So we have guidelines at an international level, and any space agency that wants to send a mission out follows those guidelines. If agencies are working together internationally, everybody agrees to follow the international guidelines. So it's not one space agency doing this, one space agency doing that, but everybody is doing the same thing, and we've been doing this since the 1950s.